Since the beginning, we've searched for something more, yearned to reconnect with an essence, known but forgotten, indescribable yet deeply felt. The desire to rediscover our own divinity. What if what we are seeking has been with us all along, in plain sight, our constant companion, untapped wisdom in the very ground beneath our feet? Nature is divinity, the convergence of the spirit with the flesh. Nature is perfection, harmony, the great life giver, a primal force that drives us, whether we realize it or not. Bring yourself to new heights and get reacquainted with the ground beneath your feet.